Hello guys, how's it going? In this video we're going to show you how to turn this photo into this. So with anything else to say guys, let's jump right in. Okay, so to make this photo like the same, the photo that I got right here, the first thing you probably notice is the sky is totally different, right? Doesn't have anything to do with this. So how we get that sky? Well, we just out different file that we have already here. I'm going to put it, and let's do that. Let's do it right now. Let's delete this photo because we don't need it now. So let's try the sky right here. Perfect. Let's put it right over here. So now what we do guys, we create a mask, a layer mask, and then we invert it. To invert it, just Control I. Okay, so we just select the black mask, select the brushing tool. I'm sorry. Select no brushing tool guys, select the gradient tool. I'm sorry. Nope, just the gradient tool. Just do this like right here, about, let's do right here. So now you're going to be like, what are you doing? Okay, don't worry guys, we just change the blend mode from normal to darken. Voila, magic, right? Right there, that's what I'm talking about now. So as you can see, the sky is totally different now, but it's a little problem with this, that the skies is actually sharpened, is no blur as the background, the original photo. So to fix this guys, what do we do is just go here to filter, blur gallery, fill blur, and we just this case is 15. Let's double that. Let's just put 30. Put 30. Yep, now you see it makes sense now. Okay. Okay. So this guy now matches the background. It's blurry. So now we do, in my case, I'm going to export this photo and put in Lightroom. But I already exported, so I already have it right here. As you can see, it's the same photo. So what I'm going to do is just, I have my presets already load. And this is the result that I came out with. This is the final result. That's how I changed the color of the shirt pretty much. It was yellow, now it's white, or blown out pretty much. The only thing I don't like is the colors that is fade away, but I'm going to fix that. So let's just export again this. Oh, a little trick guys, if you're going to export from Lightroom, it's a little trick to open it straight to Lightroom, from Lightroom to Photoshop. And it's just, if you do this after export, select Adobe Photoshop, and that's it guys. I already have exported, so is this photo right here, the same one. So we do this photo, we don't need any longer, it's our photo, so we just put it here, and we do the same thing guys. We just change the blend mode to darken, and voila, right there. That's what we got. That's what we want, guys. In this case, guys, I like to edit my portrait photo shots. A little bit high skin tone, or high skin finishing. So I have my Photoshop actions, if you know what is there, right here. However, this is my options. I created them as my personal ones. So this one is specifically for making the skin look more softer, more prettier. So we select the black mask and hit the brush tool. A little bit zoom in here. It's fine like this. Just paint, guys. Just paint the whole face like this. Just paint over here, over there. Close the eyebrow. A bit smaller to this section. Here we go. Just paint a little bit here. And the cheeks. Over here. Perfect. Try to don't paint in the highlights from the person, so it's still natural look. And there you go, guys. After, before. It was great, isn't it? But I think it's too soft. So what I like to do is just decrease the opacity a little bit to, let's say, let's put 80. Yeah, just 80. Great. Now let's see what else we can do with these guys. Okay, you know what? Let's fix these teeth and make a little bit wider. So I have my different type of Photoshop actions. I have, where is it? Right here, white teeth. This one is specifically to make the teeth wider. So the same thing, you just click on the black mask, select the brush tool, zoom in. Let's put this in about 50 now. It's going to be better for us. A little bit smaller here. So we paint in the teeth. Here, there. Alrighty. Here. And voila, guys. There we go. I think it's too wide, so let's lower it down a little bit. Let's put in 83 is good. Nah, let's put in 80 just to make sure that we are even numbers. I like to use even numbers as well. So yeah, that's perfect like that. Okay, so what we want to do next, or what I would like to do next, let's see. Let's fix this hair. Let's do it. Let's just go here, hair boost, and select the brush tool, make it a little bit bigger. The hardness does not really need too much to be hard enough, so let's go like this, soft, paint on the hair. If you guys want to know how to do these Photoshop actions, just let me know in the comments, guys. This is my first video tutorial that I made, so please, I'm hearing opinions from everyone, so I will be appreciate that a lot, guys. It'll be great for you to give me more insights about what I'm doing here to make more uh, make better videos. Just painting a little part here like this. Okay, after, before. It's not a whole lot of difference, but it's something that make the photo change, definitely, to better. So, okay, for now we got teeth, we got face, we got hair. Let's add the glare that we talk about. Let's go. I have it right here. Right here. Yep. Let's minimize this. Okay. Still dead. Let's make it bigger. Big like this. A little bit here, a little bit there. And to up a little bit more. Here. Let's drag a little bit. I think this is perfect here. Change the blend mode to screen. And here we go, guys. You can see this thing right here. We don't want that, so we just erase that. Put a little bit here too. Just erase them as well. And that's it. Easy. I like this section to be a little bit more highlighted, so I'm going to duplicate this layer, but I'm going to delete this section. It's enough just with the first one. It's enough. Okay, here we go. It's more colors, looks better. Perfect. So yeah. So that's good. Okay. So now we're going to do next, guys. The photo looks pretty good. You know what? I think I would like to make a vignette, a little vignette. Let's duplicate this layer. This layer I will do export from Lightroom. Duplicate the layer here. So now we go to filter, go to lens correction. It's a photo. We select custom. We go to vignette. We just select the amount that we want, guys. I'm going to put about 40. That 40 is great right there. The midpoint is going to put in 34. And that's pretty good what I want. So, this thing, you have to drag it to the bottom. So now you can see the difference. It's not a whole lot different, once again, but made the photo looks better, more, at least in my opinion, it looks better, honestly. So it's almost done, this, guys. Now I'm going to use something that I use almost in every photo that I do. It's a tool, actually. It's a color grading tool. Pretty good one, great one, actually. It's called Infinite Color. I'm not sponsored with this tool, but I just use it, guy. That's what I do. If you guys want to know about this more, ask me in the comment, guys, please. I would love to share about everything that I do, everything I have here. Okay. In this case, I like a particular color grade that I love to use for this specific type of portraits with colorful skies and these things. Let me see if I can find it. Let's keep looking for. There's not this one. I think we closed. What is it? This tool is awesome, guys. I use it like for every photo that I do. I use it. So it's pretty good, honestly, because it's just not like a normal color grading tool. It's you can adjust every single thing you do. You can adjust it, and you can just set the opacity to more what's they call it, more intense or less intense. You can also play with the what's it call it, with this right here. You can also play with the color balance and those things. So that's great. So look how cool. You see? So I just decrease a little bit of opacity to let's put 60. Let's see how that goes. Awesome, right there. So pretty much, guys, this is it. This is the photo. This is the final photo right here. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something new from this little tutorial. I'm willing to do more videos. Please, if you don't know yet, this is my first video that I do, so please support me on my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. I'm open to suggestions, guys. Just ask me questions in the comments so I can try to come up with better ideas for my next video. Thank you very much. If you can, if you want, just subscribe to my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.